Hi everyone, see this problem. Here we are going to solve summation of constants. So here suppose summation of I equal to 1 to n, some constant is there. So whenever I equal to 1, it was taken as some constant c. Next means each term. Now next again for 2, for 3, like that up to n terms. So totally it becomes n into c. Okay. The sum of all the terms for every loop will use summation. Now here this is area here 1 is there. So from 1 to 8 means adding 8 times of 6. 6 plus when I equal to 1, when I equal to 2, when I equal to 3. So like this up to 8 times, that is 6 will be added. Nothing but 6 into 8. 8 6 are 48. So instead of that I am going to use another method. So for solve any limits, so here the upper limit is a and lower limit is b and this is constant c. So a minus b plus 1 into c. 8 minus 1 plus 1 into 6, nothing but 8 6 are 48. So this value is 48. Now similarly here n upper limit minus lower limit plus 1 into constant 6, nothing but n into 6, nothing but 6n. And here 8 minus 4 plus 1 into 6, nothing but 5 into 6, that's equal to 30. And here n minus 4 plus 1 into 6, it becomes n minus 3 into 6. This is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.